Hi guys! I will show you how to create a website with free hosting and domain. First, open your browser and access profreehost.com. Click Register Now, enter your email and password. Next, check and open your email from ProFreehost. Click Activate Account, then Create New Account. Next, pick your free domain. When done, click Manage. Then, click Control Panel. Find Software and click Softaculous Apps Installer icon. Choose WordPress and click Install. Enter your admin data and click Install. Wait a minute and you are successful. Now, log into your WordPress and enter Dashboard. Click Themes, Add New, choose a theme, Install, Activate, Get Started, Build your website now, and select Elementor. Choose a template and done. Then continue to edit your pages. So, for more details go to hermands.id YouTube channel.